Assalamualaikum, how are you kids? Welcome to Visual Art class with me again, Teacher Messi. And today topic is organic shape, such as on this picture. The example is are the bird, bee, flower, and now we are going to how to draw a bird. Are you ready, kids? Let we start. Okay, kids. So now we are going to draw a bird. Are you ready? So the first we make a line for the bird. Make a bird. We make it such an example like this. And make for we need a space for the leg of the bird, and then okay, this one. Next we make a head of the bird, and then the body of the bird, the mouth of the bird. We make it, yes. So you can follow when teacher draw like this, okay? Okay, so the mouth of the bird, and then after we done with the wings of the bird, make it the wings of bird, and then next what we gonna do? Yes, we draw eyes of the bird. Yes, and then so you can choose whatever you want when you draw an eyes of a bird. Okay, kids, so the color of the eyes white and black. Okay, so after we have done to draw a bird, the next step we are color a bird. Okay, kids, for the color, teacher gonna choose the blue color, but for you can choose another color. It's okay. You can choose a green or pink or orange, any color you want. But you can also follow blue color as the teacher draw. Okay, kids, and then we color it. Do not cross the line, okay? When we color it, we make it beautiful. Okay, kids. So we color until they finish all of the part of the bird. Okay, kids. So you color, and then we can choose another color for the wings, and then another color, different color with the leg of a bird. You can choose any color you want. Okay, kids. And then we color it until we finish all of the parts of a bird. Okay, so after that it will be finished soon. Okay, the head of a bird, and we color it all. Yes, that's good. And then now we choose an orange color. Yes, and after the half for the mouth, we can choose a purple for the mouth of a bird. Yes, that's right. And then it's done, and we make it perfectly beautiful. Okay, kids. So the bird is already done. So don't forget to draw a bird, okay?